Today we're going to be learning about things that are VEVELA, hot, and things that are MALULU, cold. So can you help me find out which of these things are VEVELA or MALULU? Here we have Isakulimi. Is Isakulimi MALULU or is it VEVELA? That's right, it is MALULU. Ooh, here we have hot chocolate. It could even be a Coco Samoa. Do you think this is VEVELA or MALULU? Lele tele, it is VEVELA. We also have the Afi here in the Siva Afi. Do you think Afi is VEVELA or MALULU? Yes, Afi or fire is VEVELA. Do you like to eat ice cakes? So do we. This is an ice cake. Do you think it is VEVELA or MALULU? The ice cake is MALULU. Lele tele. Now we have an ipu, a cup. But what's inside the cup? There's isa, ice inside the cup. Do you think that isa is MALULU or VEVELA, hot or cold? Yes, isa is MALULU, cold. Now we have supo maukeni, pumpkin soup. Is pumpkin soup, supo maukeni, VEVELA or MALULU? Maukeni, supo maukeni is VEVELA. Lele tele. Now we have a picture of the sun. Lela. Is Lela, the sun, VEVELA or MALULU? Is the sun hot or cold? I think Lela is VEVELA. The sun is hot. What can you see in this video? What's all of the white things on the trees? It is Kiona, snow. And snow is VEVELA? No. Kiona is MALULU.